Hey guys, Charlie here at MetalWorks. Just wanted to give you a quick look at our 64 Corvette build. We performed a body swap on the Corvette. So essentially, the way it looks right now is how it looked when it arrived at the shop. And we performed a body swap onto an Art Morrison chassis. And then we performed an LS swap to a 495 horse LS3. And then we finished it off with these gorgeous looking shot wheels. And redid the side pipe exhaust. But the Corvette retained its classic looks, but now has all the modern performance of both the Art Morrison chassis as well as the LS conversion. We'll be doing a full-length feature video on this here soon. You guys will be able to hear it run. Just giving you a quick glance at it today. Again, we really love these shot wheels. They just look amazing on this car. So again, if you've got a classic car that you love the looks of and you're just not all that thrilled with its performance, this is an option for you. Body swap onto an Art Morrison chassis combined with an LS conversion. If you'd like any more details on that or pricing, feel free to give the shop a call here at 541-341-3372. Take care.